The purpose of making this video about Brahmandapadi Shri Saptashakti Mahagranth reading is just for information. With this, we are not insulting any human, animal, birds, caste, religion, or sect. All the information given in this video is really told by Shri Maskoba Nath Maharaj Ji. So this video is only made for devotees of Nath Maharaj Ji. Then there is no need to clarify any concept to anybody. Thank you.
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न। ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भाऊनाथ प्रसन्न। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय देव जय काल भैरव। जय देव जय काल भैरव।
भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले, काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले।
जय देव जय काल भैरव। जय देव जय काल भैरव।
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन। गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय।
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ। ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ। सत्य हाच धर्म। जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी।
Of this planet, the eyes are facing south. This planet is looking in south. This planet does not revolve around itself. The planet Sri Aditej Shakti is at the bottom of the sun. At that time, the sun is completely covered at the bottom. At that time, it is midnight on the earth. Below, it is exactly 12 o'clock at night. The planet first begins to move slowly to the right of the sun, that is, to the west. Then the light begins to fall slowly on the earth below. That is, the rays of the sun begin to spread on earth. Dawn is there. When the planet is completely the west end of the sun, comes down to the stop there. Then the full light on the earth below is the intense ray of the sun. The planet stops on the west side. Then it is exactly 12 o'clock on the earth below. It takes 12 hours for this planet to come to the rest under sun in the west. The planet immediately starts moving slowly back to the sun from the west and slowly come back under the sun. Episode number 13. When the planet is at the bottom of the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. The planet then begins to slowly move eastward towards the sun, and the sun's rays begin to spread on the earth below. That is, the dawn begins. The planet is slowly moving eastward and comes to a halt under the eastern tip of the sun. When the sun's rays are completely scattered on the earth below, it is exactly 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the earth below. It takes the planet exactly 12 hours to reach the bottom of the sun from the east. The planet is located at the east of the sun under a cone. From there, it begins to slide slowly back to the bottom of the sun. When the intense rays of the sun begins to trap, obscure darkness begins to fall on the earth below. Night begins to fade, and this planet is slowly coming down to the bottom under the sun. When the planet comes to a complete halt under the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock at midnight on the earth below, and the earth is completely dark. It takes a total of 12 hours for this planet to come down to the east from the east to the bottom of the sun and stop. When the planet is at the bottom of the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock at midnight on the earth below. The planet immediately begins to move slowly back to the west from the bottom, and when it stops moving west of the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Thus, the function of the planet Sri Aditej Shakti is like a pendulum under a clock, and it rotates both the ends equally. This means that the pendulum is first under the clock and then goes to the end on the right side. From there, it comes back down to the clock. From there, it goes back to the left, and from there, it goes back to the bottom of the clock. In this way, the work of Sri Aditej Shakti is being done by staying at the bottom under the sun to create day and night and day to night. The planet of Sri Aditej Shakti is already at the bottom under the sun. Then it is exactly 12 o'clock at midnight on earth below. The planet then moves westwards and stops westward. Then it is exactly 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the earth below. When the planet moves back and stops at the bottom of the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock at midnight again. This means that it takes exactly for this planet to go west under the sun, and it takes exactly 12 hours to come back. Thus, 24 hours it takes exactly 12 hours for the planet to move back and forth under the sun, to the east and back to the bottom of the sun. And it takes exactly 12 hours to get back. In this way, the planet is working to bring morning, noon, and evening down to the earth. Sri Tejasvi Brahmand Shakti told all the Shaktis. Sri Aditesh Shakti is the planet when it is facing west. And when the planet Sri Aditej Shakti is towards the east, the human beings on the earth below will see the sun setting towards the west every evening. In the same way, the souls of animals, birds, creatures, human beings, as well as other animals like worms, ants, etc., roam in the atmosphere of the entire universe. The small number of these souls are calm-minded, such as those who do not bother anyone. In the same way, to a large extent, unsatisfied, dissatisfied souls are angry and wandering. These souls have unfulfilled desires in their mind. For instance, accidental death, death in an ambush, etc. All types of death, as well as animals, birds, beasts, etc. Other animals have all sorts of spirits, such as human sacrifices, unsatisfied, dissatisfied souls, killing in the front of the servants of the gods. All these souls are wandering in the atmosphere of the universe. On the new moon day of every month, the moon is completely covered from below, because Sri Tejasvi Brahmand Shakti itself comes under the moon in the form of a planet. Therefore, in the atmosphere below, as well as everywhere in the world, darkness is spreading. So on that day, the power of all the gods in the Brahmand is completely diminished and blackened. The whole power is completely depleted. From the day of the full moon to the day of the new moon comes exactly 15 days. That is, from the day of the full moon to the new moon, 15 days are complete. On the day of the new moon, the moon is completely covered from below. At that time, in the atmosphere below, the brightness of the moon on the earth, the light of the moon does not spread on the earth. So there is complete darkness. Darkness everywhere. On that day, the power of the gods in atmosphere of the Brahmand and the power of the gods of the earth, the power of the god is completely blackened. So the power of the god is completely diminished. On the day of the new moon, there are angry, dissatisfied souls wandering in the atmosphere. All these souls are completely free on the day of the new. The control of the gods over them would have diminished because the power of gods would have wandered on that day. Dissatisfied souls in the atmosphere on the day of the new moon are the servants of the god, devotees, priests, sages, etc., who serve the gods on that day. And all the servants of the gods who harm the people by serving the gods, all those devotees are greatly disturbed by the dissatisfied souls in the environment. Their accidents endanger their lives as well as the lives of all the young and old in their family in every way. They cause all kinds of accident on a very large scale. They kill people, human beings at the same time. All the other ordinary human beings on earth are being harassed by these disgruntled spirits in a large scale, causing accidents and misfortunes. They cause human death. Also, in front of the servant, God's soldiers are the spirits of the animals that human beings have sacrificed and killed animals, birds, beasts, etc. The spirits persecute those human beings as well as all the young and old human beings in their family by causing them all kinds of troubles, persecutions, accidents, and death for any other reason. Because those innocent, dumb animals are angry because they were killed for no reason. Thank you. In the next episode number 14, we will see every day since the second day of the new moon, the moon is gradually clearing down. The brightness of the moon spreads all over the earth little by little every day. At that time, from the day of the new moon, the weakening power of the gods is released a little bit every day. The power of the gods is intensifying. The power of the god increases over the unsatisfied, dissatisfied souls in the atmosphere every day, so that the power increases daily. As a result, their suffering, the persecution of human beings on the earth is getting less and less every day.
ॐ श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ श्रीराजा भावनाथ प्रत्यक्ष येऊनी अवतारात श्रीराजा भावनाथांचे गुरु श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ दिव्यत्व एक शक्तीश्वर श्रीराजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ तिन्ही एक संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भावनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग शिव शंभो कथा काळात घडलेला नवनाथांमधला श्री राजा भाऊनाथ. ओम नमः शिवाय. श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर. श्री राजा भाऊनाथ, श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ, आई जोगेश्वरी, कान्हुबाईश्वरी, श्री काळभैरवनाथ, तात्या महाराज. पुण्येश्वरी दरबार येऊनी ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर, श्री राजा भाऊनाथ. 33 कोटी व ब्रह्मांड पदवीचे श्री राजा भाऊनाथ. श्री राजा भाऊनाथ, श्री राजा भाऊनाथ.
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.